Hello, I'm Peter Riley. I'm the author of the Ways into Science series, and today we're going to be looking at plants. I've got 5 different sorts of plants here. Let's start over here with the most primitive plants. These are the algae, and you can find them forming a green film on things like wood and stone and brick. These were the first plants to form on the earth. Let's move along to another plant which grows on stones and brick and wood. This is the moss. If you look at the moss, it's got a lot more about it. As we could see, the algae hadn't got any leaves or roots or stems, but here we can see with the moss it's got tiny little leaves and tiny little stems. And if you look at them with a magnifying glass, you can see them more clearly. If we move to the next group of plants, these are the ferns, and you can see that they look rather like green feathers. And they've got stems, they've got leaves, and they've also got roots. And you usually find ferns growing with moss. And if I turn this one round, you can see that this fern is growing with some moss too. Now we move to plants which have got much sturdier stems, woody stems, and these are the conifers. I've got a small conifer here, and you can always recognise a conifer because it produces cones, and inside the cone there are seeds. And then we move to the last group of seed producing plants, the flowering plants. And again we've got roots, we've got stems, we've got leaves, and we've got flowers. But an unusual thing with the flowering plants is that some of them are woody too, like this olive tree. And although it hasn't got any flowers on, it's got some fruits which form after the flowers have died away. So here we have it, 5 different sorts of plants: algae, moss, ferns, conifers and flowering plants.